radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 4 inches of rain have fallen.
FFW, let's go! On my trip! During my trip.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. The highest amounts have been measured near Pecan Park. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
I finished the movie.
Source, radar and automated gauges.
Wow.
Intact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pasadena, Northern Carolina, Deer Park, South Houston, Bel Air, West University Place, Galena Park, Jacinto City, 2nd Ward, Greater Eastwood, Greater 5th Ward, Clover Leaf.